All right guys, now we're going to create the envelope. We need a rectangle 4.5 inches by 3.5 inches. A here, B is going to be here, C and D. Okay, so from the long side, we're going to measure in 1 inch. And draw lines. I am really not measuring correctly. I'm sorry. Okay. That's going to be A, B, C, D. All right, so now from this side, we're going to measure down 1 1/4 inch. So 1 1/4. 1 1/4. 1 1/4. 1 1/4. And we're going to draw lines. This is E, F, G, H. Okay, so now you want to find the center and draw points. So we're going to do a point to here. Point. Point. Now this center part will be where you put your message. And it makes a nice tiny envelope. So cut off the sides. Then you can put your message here. I love you. I'm gonna give it to Becky Boo. And there's your tiny, tiny envelope.